When developing new drug products or scaling up existing manufacturing footprints, you often need thousands and sometimes millions of prefilled containers for engineering and validation testing. For example, new assembly lines for drug delivery devices need multiple batches for developing and installation. Here, weight and dimensions are most important as they are not for human use. If you use yours or your CMO's GMP fill and finish, you risk delaying existing drug product production for your patients by producing testing material, in addition to unnecessary costs. At Stevanato Group, we offer a different approach for container, device, and equipment testing. Our not-for-human-use fill and finish service prepares containers for product comparisons with placebo or drug product, shipping or sterilization validations, automation testing, and more.